In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your website using Webflow, and we'll cover everything in just a few minutes. Let's dive right into it so you can ensure your hard work is safely stored and can be restored at any time if needed. First, you'll need to open Webflow. Whether you're using the desktop site or an app, make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding further. Once you've done that, locate the site you want to back up. This is usually found on your dashboard, where you have a list of all the sites you're working on. Click on your desired site to open it. Now that you're viewing your site, the next step is to focus on finding the settings. You'll notice the settings icon at the bottom left of your screen. It might appear as a small cogwheel or simply be labeled as settings, so keep an eye out for it amidst other options you may have there. Once you've clicked on settings, you'll be taken to a new interface with several other options. What we are interested in here is the option labeled Backup. This will generally be located somewhere in the list that's been presented to you in the settings menu. Selecting Backup is a crucial step because it's where all of your backup management happens. As you click Backup, you might take note of any information on this page, which might be helpful if you want to explore other backup functionalities later. With Backup selected, you'll see the option to create a new backup. This is where the magic happens. Look for a button that says New Backup. Clicking on this button is like telling Webflow, "Hey, I want to save everything I've done so far." A dialog box should now pop up. It will prompt you to give your backup a name. This is your chance to be creative, or at the very least, informative. You might want to include the date or a brief descriptor of what changes have been made since your last backup. Naming your backup is incredibly helpful, especially if you need to go back and restore from this point. After typing in the name, the final step is simply to click Save. This action officially creates your backup and ensures that you have a saved point to return to if anything were to go wrong during future edits or updates. And there you have it. That's how you back up your website in Webflow. It's quick, simple, and a very good habit to get into. Backing up regularly will save you from potential headaches down the line, so now you know the drill. Go make sure your hard work is safe and sound. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to sharing more tips with you in our next video.